Morning, everybody. Um, yeah, so we watch a lot of people on YouTube and that, the awesome lady there in the UK, Nutty Foodie Fitness, Lucy Davis, um, and some others as well. You hear them, especially Nutty Foodie Fitness. You hear her say like, "Yeah, I'm so anxious for this race. I'm ready for it, but I'm da da da." And I would sit and watch and be like, "Well, it's just a run. Why are you worried? What's the story?" And then, I'm heading out now for my first ever 32. Um, and I'm anxious. It's crazy. Like I'm like, what's gonna happen? It's a run. Like, what's gonna happen? You're gonna run one foot in the other front of the other and carry on until you finish. But yeah, it's weird, hey? Anyways, yeah, like I say, on the way to run for 32.2 Ks. And God be with me, protect me on the run, protect you. If you're out today and you're going for a run, kudos on you. Enjoy, God bless, and I'll report back once I'm done. Cheerio.